with Tony today. Keenan is actually having surgery today on his finger, so I got to go help Tony out of his job site in Hastings, Nebraska. Tony, you told me I'm letting him drive today. This is your bucket list, lifelong dream is to do what?
Drive a Duramax.
Drive a Duramax diesel. How about that? We met Tony's dream. I asked him when he drives, like, oh, that's okay. I will have him drive. Tony, what are we doing today, man?
Going to Hastings to dig out the foundation for the patio. Nice.
Very nice. And you filled in a pond. How fun was that?
That was fun.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. I don't know how many tons, or we probably put about 3 layers of concrete in there. But.
Cool.
Here is the job site. That's a cool looking barn, isn't it? These are boulders. We could choose a bubbling rock. Ready for this? Yep.
Here's a project update here. You saw this last week where they were removing this pond. Pond gone, filled in, and Tony is coming in here to grab this boulder. Right here will be a pretty nice bubbling rock out of these guys here. Right about there is going to be a fireplace, and then we're going to have a seating wall right here and another seating wall right there. Getting rid of this rock. There goes that rock. I guess you ain't call that rock, that's a boulder. Got Tony here digging out, filling me up. It's Tony's first season with us. He's one heck of a good employee. Great team member here. Here we are, the drive back with Tony. We came, we saw, we kicked some behind today. Well, what do you think? How did we do, Tony?
I think we did pretty good.
Yeah? You sure to boss me around a lot. Jeez. Man. He was yelling at me. And, well, I think he spit at me at one time. You know, I didn't deserve that at all.
I don't remember that.
No, but we did a good job. We got the patio dug out. We got it compacted. We finished filling in the pond. We laid out string lines. We got it. We got it going on. What are you guys doing tomorrow there, Tony?
We're gonna start layering our crushed concrete. Probably about 2 layers, and then
got him on the spot.
Yeah.
This is not a test. Maybe it is.
Maybe. I don't remember what
Of the
else.
Mergy broadcast system.
I can't think of everything else.
I think that's it. You might have someone take out sod
Yeah, take sod out too.
for the planting
If we
beds.
have
And the
time.
added flagstone walkway.
Yeah.
Right on. All right, Tony, thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Well, there we go. Had a great day with Tony today, working on digging out the patio, adding a little bit of crushed concrete to fill in the pond. I haven't been out much this year, so I'm glad I got to help him get things going. Can't wait to see that fireplace in there and the pavers and everything. It's going to be a pretty killer project. There's the pump for the bubbling rock right behind us. It's a 2,000 to 4,000 gallon per hour pump. We'll have 2 bubbling rocks. In the middle, we're going to copy our buddies at Tussie's Landscaping. In the middle, we'll put another little water outlet there, and it's going to bubble up and go over the rocks. So that'll be really cool. He's going to really enjoy that. Great to homeowners. He always comes out in the morning, chats with us, see how things are going. And does he do that every morning, Tony?
Yeah, he does.
Pretty sweet. All right, signing out. Peace. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Hello! I hope you have enjoyed vlog number 8, watching Keenan's team kind of take care of a patio project. Be watching next week, because next week you should see some of the fireplace built, some of the bubbling rocks done, and next week we'll be filming laying pavers for the following week. A lot of information there. I got a little bit confused. I hope you didn't. Also, hope you enjoyed Maria's team doing a spring cleanup. Thanks for Derek for doing the filming on that. So, lots of awesome things going on. We'll be continuing spring cleanups, continuing Keenan's job. So, once again, what do you got to do? We only have 53 subscribers. You got to subscribe! Boing! Like and share to get more of our videos here in the wonderful town of Champion, Nebraska.